Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about cholera, a disease that has troubled people for centuries but can be easily prevented and treated with the right knowledge. Did you know cholera is an acute diarrheal disease caused by a tiny bacteria called Vibrio cholerae? It attacks our small intestine and causes severe watery diarrhea which can lead to dangerous dehydration if not treated quickly. But don't worry, if caught in time, cholera can be managed easily with oral rehydration salts or IV fluids, saving lives and restoring health. Now, why do we call cholera a communicable disease? It's because it spreads from an infected person to others, mainly through contaminated water or food, poor sanitation, unsafe drinking water, and bad hygiene are the main reasons it travels from one person to another. So, by understanding how cholera spreads, we can stop it in tracks, keeping ourselves and our community safe and healthy. So let's get started and learn how to fight cholera with knowledge and good hygiene. What is cholera? Cholera is basically an acute diarrheal disease caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. It infects the small intestine and leads to severe watery diarrhea, which can cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance very quickly. If untreated, it can be life-threatening, but with prompt treatment, oral rehydration salts, or IV fluids, it is easily manageable. This is the bacteria called as Vibrio cholerae, which is the causative organism of cholera. Why cholera is a communicable disease? So first of all, we have to know that what is the mode of spread. Cholera spreads mainly through contaminated water or food, usually when water sources are polluted with the fecal matters of an infected person. People get infected when they drink unsafe water, eat raw and undercooked food washed with contaminated water, or have poor sanitation and hygiene. So it spreads from one person to another indirectly through contaminated sources, which makes it communicable disease. Mode of transmission: how cholera travels. Dirty water and food. Cholera mainly spreads when we drink water or eat food contaminated with poop from infected people. Bad sanitation: areas with poor toilets and dirty water are perfect for cholera to spread first, especially during floods or disasters. Seafood or street food: eating raw seafood or street food washed with unsafe water can bring the germs in. Dirty hands: direct spread is rare but can happen if we touch contaminated things and then it goes to our mouth. Outbreaks: big cholera outbreaks often happen in refugee camps or flood hit areas where clean water is limited. Pathogenesis: what happens inside us. Entry: when the bacteria Vibrio cholerae enters the mouth and survive our acidic stomach. Tough little guys. Attack zone: they reach our small intestine and stick its wall using special hooks or pili. They release a dangerous cholera toxin or CT. How the toxin works: the toxin sticks to our gut cells and tricks them to produce lots of cyclic AMP, a chemical messenger. This makes our gut poor, but pour out chloride ions and water rushes out too. Result: profuse watery diarrhea like rice water stools. What is the danger? Without treatment, we lose so much water and salts that we can dehydrate it, go into shock, and it can be deadly. Management: how we fight back against cholera. First of all, rehydration is the most important. Drink ORS or oral rehydration solution to replace lost water and salts. Severe cases need IV fluids like Ringer's lactate at hospital. Antibiotics help shorten the illness. Doxycycline for adults and azithromycin for kids. Sometimes ciprofloxacin if it works locally. Extra care: check salts like potassium, give zinc to kids, and keep eating. Don't stop feeding. Prevention: drink safe water, use clean toilets, and wash hands with soap. Teach everyone about hygiene. Vaccines are given in risky places or during outbreaks to protect the whole communities. I hope this class helped you to understand cholera, how it spreads and how it attacks our body, and how we can manage and prevent it with the right steps. Knowing this keeps you and your community safer and healthier, especially where clean water and hygiene matter the most. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more easy and clear biology topics. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember, clean water, clean hands can save lives. See you next time, and thank you for learning with me.